Which choice most logically completes the text? Euphorbia esula leafy spurge is a Eurasian plant that has become invasive in North America, where it displaces native vegetation and sickens cattle. Esula can be controlled with chemical herbicides, but that approach can also kill harmless plants nearby. Recent research on introducing engineered DNA to plant species to inhibit their reproduction may offer a path toward exclusively targeting Esula, consequently blink. So the text highlights how Esula is a Eurasian plant that is invasive in North America, where it displaces native vegetation and sickens cattle. And it highlights that one method to control Esula is through chemical herbicides, but this also harms nearby plants. Another method is to introduce re-engineered DNA to inhibit their reproduction, which would selectively target Esula, which would consequently not harm other plants nearby. So let's look at the answer choice that would best fit this blank. A. Making individual E. esula plants more susceptible to existing chemical herbicides. This is incorrect because this does not consequently follow from the text, because it says here that the engineered DNA would inhibit the reproduction of Esula, E. esula, selectively targeting E. esula. So inhibiting their reproduction would not make them more susceptible to chemical herbicides, but would limit their reproduction or limit their growth. So A is incorrect because this it doesn't properly use information from the text. So we can eliminate answer choice A. B. Enhancing the ecological benefits of E. esula in North America. This is incorrect because inhibiting the reproduction or through the engineered DNA wouldn't enhance the ecological benefits of E. esula. This would limit the growth and spreading of E. esula. So this wouldn't have any enhancement in ecological benefits. So B can be eliminated. C. Enabling cattle to consume E. esula without becoming sick. This is incorrect because, like B, the engineered DNA that is introduced into the plant species would inhibit their reproduction. That wouldn't enable the cattle to consume E. esula without becoming sick, because for one, this isn't mentioned in the text at all, how the engineered DNA would enable cattle to consume the E. esula without becoming sick. So with that, we can eliminate answer choice C as well. D. Reducing invasive E. esula numbers without harming other organisms. This is the correct answer because this is the logical conclusion of the text, where the previous sentence highlighted one method to control E. esula through chemical herbicides, but said that there was a negative of this method, which is that it would harm nearby plants as well. But the second method is to introduce engineered DNA that would inhibit their reproduction, and that this would exclusively target E. esula, and this would logically reduce invasive E. esula numbers without harming other organisms. Therefore, because D logically completes the text, D is the correct answer.